Hey, what's going on guys? Assad here, and in this tutorial I'm gonna talking about the HTML for absolute beginners. Those who familiar with the HTML, it's for creating pages. No matter what library you use, what framework you use, you need to use HTML. So what HTML does is it will structure your web page, not color, it's structure your web page. So let's begin. For that you need to choose a text editor, which is I'm gonna choose Atom. You can get this by Atom. I'm going to get atom.io, and now just open it and create a new file. I'm just name it anything you want. I'm gonna name it HTML. And first thing you need to do is create an HTML file. So here just drop down on the Atom and name it is index.html. So when we're done with that, what you need to do is add some few plugins. Yeah, I think I'm saying what is plugin because many of you just start learning any languages. That's why. So uh, plugins are things which help you to build anything. So uh, here first plugin is Atom Live Server. It's a lightweight server. Just you need to go and install there. It will be correct. And second is Emmet, 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 and just that. And when you download that, and now what you need to do is you see this and press tab. The moment you tap that, you will realize that you are getting a boilerplate for your HTML. So those who don't know what HTML is, HTML are tags. So it's separated into tags, like it's body tag, it here head tag, and every tag has except for few, every tag has a starting tag and ending tag. So how we gonna understand what is starting and ending? So let's think of this as a h1 as a tag, and here h2, h1. And the moment you see this line, you will understand the backslash, I mean, you will understand that it is the uh, ending tag and it's the starting tag. And how we can write faster, just you need to type h1 and place tab. You will understand these tags. And now what I'm gonna do is just type something, hello world. And what you need to do is start the live server by clicking on packages and clicking on start server. The moment you do this, you will find yourself to lighting the first tag on the HTML. So this is the introduction for HTML. See you guys in the next video about more about HTML. So see you guys in the next time.